If you have recently been wondering about top-rated Christmas ornaments on Amazon, then this video is for you. In this video, we detail about Christmas tree with informative details and customer reviews, so that you can know A to Z about Christmas ornaments. Let's go.
You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if you're supposed to feel.
About this item, Christmas tree decoration must-haves. Hang these metal Christmas ornaments on your Christmas tree to create a magical and festive ambience. They become essential elements of your holiday decor, elevating the beauty and charm of your Christmas tree decoration. Sparkling rhinestones accents. Each ornament is adorned with dazzling rhinestones accents, reflecting and scattering light to create a mesmerizing and elegant display. The added sparkle and shine make these ornaments truly stand out as gorgeous and eye-catching decorations. Beautiful designs. Our metal Christmas ornaments boast intricate and finely crafted snowflake, angel, Christmas tree, reindeer, and 2023 designs. These delightful ornaments capture the magic of winter and the spirit of the holiday season, adding a touch of enchantment to your Christmas tree. Perfect gift choice. These metal Christmas ornaments make a perfect and thoughtful gift for loved ones. Their exquisite craftsmanship and captivating designs make them a treasured present that brings joy and warmth to family, friends, or coworkers during the festive season. Lasting beauty. Crafted from high-quality metal materials, these hanging ornaments are built to withstand the test of time and retain their beauty year after year. Invest in these durable and stunning ornaments to make cherished memories with each Christmas celebration. Number 2. Crystal Christmas Ornaments for Christmas Tree Decorations. Perfect crystal decor. These clear Christmas snowflakes ornaments are well made and look like real crystals, with clear and delicate snowflake designs, which will create a gorgeous and charming party effect. They can capture the light perfectly and sparkle with the tree lights, which add a nice touch to your Christmas tree. Easy to use. These crystal Christmas tree ornaments are ready to hang with the ribbon on top. Super easy to hang them on Christmas trees, ceilings, Christmas wreaths, chandelier, windows, and more, to add just the right amount of elegance and sparkle to your Christmas decorations. Premium material. These Christmas hanging crystal snowflake ornaments are well made of tested high-quality acrylic material, safe for kids or pets, sturdy and shatterproof, lightweight, clear, and smooth, durable for indoor or outdoor uses. Save and reuse them for next Christmas-wide applications. These bright and light crystal snowflake and icicle ornaments are the perfect addition to your holiday parties decorations, perfect for winter parties or gatherings, frozen or winter wonderland themed birthdays, baby showers, kids parties, weddings, Christmas parties, or New Year home decor, and more. After-sales service. We appreciate your trust and want to make sure that everything works for you. If there is any problem with our Christmas acrylic decorations for tree, please contact our customer service. We will treat it sincerely. Number 3. Cadre 8 PCS Christmas Lollipop Ornaments Rainbow Lollipop Hanging Ornaments. Enchanting spirit of the season with our Christmas glitter poinsettia faux flowers in the serene and sophisticated lake blue shade. Versatile and stunning, these faux flowers are perfect for elevating your Christmas tree, embellishing wedding decor, or adding a touch of festive charm to your New Year celebrations. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, each flower boasts delicate petals adorned with a generous dusting of glitter. The lake blue hue adds a sense of tranquility and elegance, making these faux poinsettias a captivating addition to your holiday decorations. Whether you're planning a winter wedding, adorning your Christmas tree, or creating a stylish New Year's display, these faux flowers offer endless decorating possibilities. Use them to enhance wreaths, garlands, centerpieces, or any other focal point of your festive arrangements, allowing your creativity to shine. Designed for longevity, these artificial flowers combine beauty with durability, providing the allure of real poinsettias without the fragility. The lake blue faux flowers maintain their vibrancy throughout the holiday season, ensuring that your decorations remain as captivating as the day you adorned them. Number 4. N&T Knighting 27 PCS Wooden Snowflakes Shaped Embellishments Hanging Ornaments for Christmas Decoration. About this item. Beautiful and cute variform snowflake, perfect for crafting, Sewing and decorating. These shaped wooden chips are made of wood, lightweight and durable. These wooden chips are in wood color, and both sides are sanded to a smooth finish. Wooden snowflakes is a natural wood color, looks clean and comfortable. Hollow out carven snowflake wood chips. The wood chips are carved nicely to become delicate looking snowflakes. These snowflakes conform to Christmas theme and winter atmosphere, really suitable for Christmas and winter. Number 5. Christmas ornaments. Cute snowman, Christmas tree decorations, Santa Claus plastic figurines ornaments.